Yes, dear friends, we can start our reasoning chapters, reasoning question chapters, desktop reasoning. Very important, and definitely that everybody very easily that can achieve the entire reasoning chapters. It's very comparatively very easier, and we can give so many shortcuts and everything based on the same. You can study all those things, and after so many trials, definitely all these will be more easier, no doubt. Okay. Yes, first, inequality. Always we are expecting 5 questions. It can be preliminary, certain questions can be, certain cases, main exam also can be 4 or 5 questions, certain cases 3 questions. Anyway, it's a common chapter. Always you can expect these inequality questions in any one of these exams. Certain cases, both the exams you are getting that also. Okay. Before starting, there are so many basic ideas that you have to follow. The symbols we are using: greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to. These are the symbols we are using usually. Greater than symbol, less than symbol, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, equal to. Using these symbols, we have to get some other idea for combination and everything. We have to get that. A statement, simple statement. A greater than B. A simple statement, A greater than B. Definitely that we can rewrite as B less than A. A greater than B, very easily we can rewrite B less. Both are same. The first one and second one are both are same. These are same, no doubt. Always you can rewrite A greater than B is there. Definitely you can write B. If you are starting from B, B less than A. Similarly, A less than B, you can rewrite as B greater than A. A greater than or equal to B. Always you can rewrite B less than or equal to A. A less than or equal to B, you can rewrite B greater than or equal to A. So these are the cases that when the symbol, you have to only reverse the symbol, no doubt. Greater than you can rewrite as less than. Less than you can rewrite greater than. Greater than equal to you can rewrite less than or equal to. And less than or equal to you can rewrite as greater than equal to. Equal to, there is no separation. Equal to, both are same. A is equal to B, always B is equal to A. These are the basic idea that you have to get. If you are having this basic idea, always it is very easy to simplify all those things then. A greater than or equal to B. If we are splitting into 2, independently, never we write A greater than B or A is equal to B. Independently, this will not be true. Therefore, A greater than or equal to B. Therefore, A greater than B. That is wrong. A greater than or equal to B. Therefore, A is equal to B. That is also wrong. Never rewrite this like this. You cannot split this way. If both the answers are having, both the choices are having, you can use either A greater than B or A is equal to B. You can use the symbol as either or. Either A greater than B or A is equal to B. Never independently A greater than B, that will be wrong. A is equal to B, that also will be wrong. No doubt. That basic idea you have to acquire, you have to get it, then only that we can do the other sections. Okay. The first thing I already told you that you can reverse all the symbols. Letter also you have to reverse and symbol also you have to reverse. Here A greater than or equal to B, definitely you can write A greater than B or A is equal to B. Both you have to consider either or not 2. That way you have to use either 1 or 2. If first one is correct, definitely second one is wrong. Second one is correct, first will be wrong. You can use either or not 2. That only you have to write. Therefore, only combining these two, you can write the answers, no doubt. A less than or equal to B. We can write this way: either A less than B or A is equal to B. This way, that either A less than B or A is equal to B. Never that either A less than B, independently this will not be true. Similarly, A is equal to B, that also independently it will not be true. Either first one or second one. That way we have to answer. When a combination symbol is there, we have to split this way. Either first one, only after using either first one or second one. That you have to remember. Then we can combine two statements, combination of two inequalities. A greater than B, B greater than C. Two statements, A greater than B, B greater than C. We can combine two statements, we can combine these two if there is a common term, then only we can combine. We can combine two statements only if there is a common term. One of the rule we have to observe is the common term should be in the center. 2. First one, there should be a common term. Second one, the common term, we have to bring that common term into center. How we can bring? Suppose a statement A greater than B. Another one, C less than B. Two statements. For combining, we can bring the common term into center. That means that A greater than B. Then this also we can inverse. Therefore, B greater than C. This way that we can inverse. C less than B is B greater than C. Very simply that we can write. Therefore, the common term is in center. That is the application of that common term. For combining two statements, first point you have to remember is there should be one common term. Second one, that common term we have to bring to center. Suppose two statements, different statement is there. Common term is both the ends that are having common term. We have to bring that common term into center. Then this will cancel. Combine for combination, then this will cancel. Symbol. Second point we have to remember is for combination A greater than B. A is greater, B is lesser. Here also B greater than C, B is greater. For combining, one lesser and greater should be. The common term should be first term B is lesser, second term B is greater. A greater than B, definitely B is lesser. B greater than C, B is greater. First one B is lesser, second one B is greater. One lesser and greater, or A less than B, B less than C. Here also we can combine. Common term is there in the center. A less than B. Here that A is lesser, B is greater. Here that B less than C, B is lesser. When combining two statements, here one of the statement B is greater, other one B is lesser. This statement B is lesser, the other one B is greater. If one of the term it is lesser, other one it should be greater. If one of the term it is greater, the other one it can be lesser. Okay. Then this will cancel. Greater than plus greater than, what it be? Greater than plus greater than, always definitely greater than will be. Therefore, A greater than C will be the answer. Net answer is when A greater than B and B greater than C, common term will cancel. The symbol A greater than B. How we can immediately identify greater or smaller? How we can immediately identify greater or smaller? One simple way, that this we can consider as arrow. This also can consider as an arrow. Arrow towards right. Right arrow. This right arrow is same direction. Both the arrows are having same direction. We can combine. Both the arrows are having same direction. We can combine. If this arrow, this arrow is this way, lesser, never we can combine, because A greater than B, B is lesser, B less than C, B again B is lesser. Two lesser numbers never can combine. One definitely greater, the other one definitely should be lesser. For identifying this one, very simply we can identify, we have to consider only the arrows symbol, the direction of that symbol. If it is opposite direction, never we can combine. If it is same direction, we can combine. If both this A less than B, here also B less than C, same direction, towards left side, then we can combine these two. This will cancel. The resultant will be A less than C will be the answer. Okay, once again I can tell you. A greater than B. A statement. Another statement, B greater than C. We have to check whether we can combine or not. For combination, first point, what we have to remember, there should be one common term. There should be one common term. We have to bring that common term into center. This particular statement, common term is center. No doubt, we need not bring. It is the center itself. 2. What is the third point? The direction of the symbol definitely should be same direction, greater than the same direction, right, towards right side, right arrow. These two, if we are considering these two symbols as two arrows, definitely both are right arrows. We can combine these two. Greater than plus greater than, what will be greater than? Therefore, resultant answer will be A greater than C. That will be the resultant answer. Okay. Then the combination result we can study. Then after we can combine, find the combination results. First combination result, greater than plus greater than, what will be? Only greater than. Less than plus less than, less than. Greater than or equal to plus greater than or equal to, resultant will be greater than or equal to. Less than or equal to plus less than or equal to, resultant will be less than or equal to. Please check that the symbols of all these are same. Greater than, same. Here also same. Here greater than equal to plus greater than equal to. If we are considering both these symbols are right arrow, then definitely that even if that it is a combination, we can consider as a right arrows. Two right arrows, the answer will be same. When same symbol, the answer will be same. Same. Here also same. Here left arrow, the two left arrows, less than or equal to, what will be the resultant? Less than or equal to. Then if it is different, greater than plus greater than or equal to, resultant will be greater than only. Greater than plus greater than equal to, resultant will be greater than only. Less than plus less than or equal to, what will be? Less than only. Please check the speciality of these two. Greater than, different symbols, but symbols, direction is same. Direction is same. Greater than plus greater than equal to, greater than. Less than plus less than or equal to, less than. This way that we have to find the combination results. Very easily you can find the combination results. These are the things you have to remember for getting the for combining two inequalities. For combining two inequalities, these are the things you have to remember. Greater than plus greater than, Direction should be same. Less than plus less than, Greater than equal to plus greater than equal to, greater than equal to. Less than or equal to plus less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Greater than plus greater than or equal to, greater than. Less than plus less than or equal to, less than or equal to. Okay, these are the basic things you have to remember for getting this type of problems. Then you can find the correct answers very easily, very quickly. The basic thing you have to remember, you have to fix your mind, then only you can very easily you can find the answers. Okay, then we can combine certain statements. A greater than B plus C less than B. What exactly is the result? What exactly is the combination result? Very simply that we can do that A greater than B, first one. Second, C less than B. This we can rewrite as B greater than C. Therefore, we can combine these two. Common term is there. Symbol also same. Therefore, resultant answer will be A greater than C or C less than A. Both are same. C less than A. Either first one or second one, both are same. A greater than C or C less than A. If you are having the choice that either one of these, first one or second one, both will be correct, no doubt. Okay. A greater than B plus B less than or equal to C. Never we can combine because common term B is center, one point is correct. This greater than symbol and less than or equal to, both the symbols are in opposite direction. Therefore, we can combine. Therefore, never we can combine these two. Okay. A less than or equal to B. B greater than or equal to C. Never we can combine. Common term is there, but the symbols are different direction. Therefore, never we can combine. Another one, here that This also when we are considering for combining these two. First we are observing the symbols are same direction. After bringing the common term into center, then only you have to check the symbol. After bringing the common term into center, therefore first you have to consider A less than B. Then B greater than or equal to C. This way you can bring these two. Common term you can bring to center, this one. Then these symbols are in opposite direction, never you can combine. Never you can combine. This way the basic idea, the elementary idea, if you are having the elementary idea, it is very easy to solve the problem very quickly. Within 1 or 2 minutes you can complete the entire 5 questions. That easiness everybody has to practice. Then only that you are getting more advantage. Preliminary always that you are getting 5 questions. Usually that all the exams you are getting 5 questions. Majority of the exams. Very rarely that you can replace by some other sections. Okay.